as you guys can tell by the background, we are here with some more SlimeRancher, guys. Yes, indeed. Welcome back, everyone, to another video of SlimeRancher. Big Ben Gamer here, and today, I'm gonna be hanging out with my slimy pals. Oh, there's two slimy here. I'm gonna continue as last time. Let me know what you guys want me to do. Oh, okay. Hold on, guys. I need to do something. Let me hello, guys. I'm gonna do something. Hello. Yep. Hi. Let's get back to it. Okay. So, here are my boom. Okay. Yes, last time I got my boomies. I put them in here with the cat because they all like me. Oh.
Cat's probably being tortured right now.
Yeah, he's probably being tortured. And last time we got the Sabar ornament and the purple stripey ornament. I'm not sure about you guys,
And
but
you got the slime key.
oh yeah, I got a slime key too. I also brought home a little bit more of these little dudes. Hey, bye. Hey, guys. Oh, yeah, I also got some cube berries. Watch. And when they see a cube berry, they all come piling to it. Well, at least I think so.
That slime key.
What's that do? What?
You got the slime key.
Yep, so I should be able to use it. I got... Oh, last time, guys, I got the Phosmophore, Gordo, and we found him in a little tiny pit, and I actually... Oh, yeah, someone gave me carrots. Oh, hey, I also, 2 videos ago, I got these little honey dudes. Hey. And they like fruit, so I should just give them half of my pogo fruit. Whoops! These are mine. Not yours. You get all the pogos, okay?
You almost have enough in the lab.
Yep. Wait, I do? No, I thought the lab was 10,000. I mean, it's fine. Oh, are you telling me okay. I'm gonna have to get a plort collector. Just for the better. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Just for the better. It's not that I'm lazy or anything. It's just I don't like to pick up my poor little slimes. Oh, yeah. Today, guys, I wanted to get that area over there so I have more space. And I also wanted to get some rock slimes. So I could.
Wait, how much is that area?
This is the overgrowth, I think, and it's
up. Maybe you should save up.
Yeah. Hey, little guys, what are you guys doing? Wait a minute. Is there a toy machine I can add?
Once you upgrade your lab and stuff, maybe this.
Oh yeah. Hey, little Largos, you want some of my killings? Want some? You throw that back at me? You gonna eat it? You eat all your killings. They're good for your eyes, because sometimes your eyes are bad. Whoa! Just got 26 of everything. All right, little guys, you look hungry again. I'll give you some more pogos. Alright, beat up on some pogos. Come on. Oh, I'm in the I'm in the ball pit? Is that what they call them nowadays? 44, that's too much. Let's go get, what?
Unlock that one place.
Oh yeah, today guys, I was gonna find another Largo. I was gonna do a little bit of everything. I was gonna make some Largos, Get some rocks. Rocky slimes. I was also going to find some more hunters, actually. Oh, he was bold for... Oh, I'm sorry. You hungry? You know, I actually didn't check out this. Or did I? I don't think I did. Uh-oh. Oh. I think that's enough. Oh, wait.
You want to unlock the lost blanket or that? But I think that leads to like the same area that you were in. Yeah, that unlocks the same area, dude.
Let's see.
There's another doorway.
Okay, I don't want you to tell me. No offense. I got the indigo quarry. Oh, mine. Oh, mine. Yes, mine. Oh, mine. Oh, oh, there's lava dudes down here. Come here, little lava man. Oh, give me you. Give me. No, don't blow up. You know it'd be real. No! I need those. Hey, I'm your teacher for today, and we're going to. Oh, they're leaving the class.
The one that.
I will in a second. Let me see. What's up here? Oh, hello. Is there any chickens up here? I need some chickens. Oh,
Yeah.
Odd onion? That's cool. I wouldn't trust this onion, even less so than a normal onion. Ow! You spiky! Don't hurt me! Ow! Come on.
Yup.
Hey! What's so cool?
They like veggies.
They're so big. How come Goros have to be so big? They're the papa, that's why.
Don't feed them that. London, go get some,
Do you want some of my friends? No. I need you.
Yes, yeah, that map thing. The map.
What's this do?
Unlocks the map area.
Ooh. That's helpful. Oh, it's up there. I see the little dude. Wow. Alright, I've unlocked the moss blanket, but I haven't gotten to like, oh, there's the kitty cat. Wait, do I have the kitty? Did I get the kitty cat yet? Maybe I didn't.
Look around on the map area.
Uh,
That little there.
Where's the Gordo?
He's like right in that cave. There you are.
Yeah, he must have been portal home. Okay. Oh, what's that? I'm gonna try and go see what that
Yeah, I
is.
think that's where the other door is.
I think it's over here. I'm trying. Alright, I'm running. Whoa! What? What's this area? Oh, bouncing carrots. Never seen that before. Whoa! Hey, who are you? Hi! Oh. What do you do? Huh? Wait, what's at the bottom? Oh, that's radiation! Oh no. Uh-oh.
Take it.
No, don't come near me. I don't like. I don't need a stony hat. No. I'm gonna grab you. Red slime! Also known as radiation slime. Its radiance is lovely. It makes you sick. Oh, well, that's terrible.
Not very lovely.
Yep, I'm gonna take you. Ow! 3 in a row of spikies? That's not nice. Ooh. Throw you off the edge. Look, he wants it. I'm sorry. Oh, he's gonna get it. Oh, lava Rocky, ready? Oh. Ready to eat it. Boom! Uh-oh. Bigger explode. Bigger the better. You got some roostros up here? I need a roostro. I haven't heard of a roostro. Ooh, I'm running. Whoa, what's this? Oh wait, isn't this where the puddle slime lives? Oh yeah, these must be where the puddle slimes live. Cause, guys, we've. Oh, there's a puddle. We've already seen puddles. The moss blanket has puddles. The entrance, there's a river. That's where the puddles hang out. Little puddle. I just love them. They hug you. Hey.
They're like steamboats without tail.
Bye bye. Oh, that's a treasure pod? Oh, here's H again. Sometimes I'd catch a puddle slime bushing and I could never tell if it was because I was in my bathing suit or not. I don't know what that means, but okay. Oh my god!
And guess what?
No! I want to go over there.
I think if we go by there.
No, I know. Alright, let's see. Ow! Oh! Get out of here! Come here. You gotta come with me. Into the water. Yes. Hey! You stay. Yes. Come with me. And go here. Into the water. Yes. Oh! Stay in there. Yes. That's how you get rid of tar, guys. Yeah, throw them in the bucket of water. Hey, little lava man. Hello, Reds. Uh-oh, that's too big for me. Ow! Oh, here's a turtle. Alright. I kind of want to go home, get some odd onions in my farm. Ooh, what's this? Mushroom? Treasure pod. If any of you guys know how to unlock a treasure pod, tell me. Hudson? But I won't. Don't tell me. Because you've beaten the game. Hey, little booty. Oh, I love how they leave like a blood splatter. No, not a blood splatter. A slime splatter. Because you're amazing. Oh, then he turns sad. Ow! I'm just sneaking past you. Ooh, bam! Oh, the same thing. Ow! No! No! Ow! 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 Jeez, you mean. Oh, don't I get up here? Oh, there's more chicken. Pose me forward, little buddy. I do need some more posies. Yeah, this is fuzzy.
You should upgrade your,
Should I upgrade my run?
your cage area, like your cages, and turn them into like big boys.
Oh, like
high walls, big boys. That means they drop more.
Excuse me. I have to go do some work. Whee! Whee! You know what? I just realized I need a lot of chicken. Hi! Mine! Oh. Oh, that guy's just standing there. Uh-oh, there's a lot of pinkies. Hello, these are my farmer pinkies. And my farmer Cosmo floor. No, I'm not. But I'm taking them to their families. Look, they have more. I've left some more flies for you. Oh, yep, you want some blueberries. Oh, they're hungry. They're so hungry. Have food. Alright, who's hungry? Hey! Eat up, guys! Eat up! And I have to... Where do you go? Hey! Why are you guys escaping? Hey! Get back here! How much did you... 30? Wow. Alright, I wanted to grow the odd onion, but if I do that, I'll lose half of my money.
You should go garden. You almost have enough. Then make a garden.
Alright, let's... Ouch! Oh, pogo fruit. Alright. I'm gonna eat you up.
You're gonna eat them up?
No, I'm eating the pogos.
Oh, I thought you meant the sun.
No! Although honey is pretty good. Where now I go? For sure. Ow! I don't like nuclear explosions. Alright, I have enough. Let's go. And let's purchase. Yay! Let's go. Oh, what's this? I got it. Alright. So. Alright. There's a lot
coral.
of...
That's what it's called.
Yep. I'm gonna need a garden. And I am going to grow... Oh, a salad bar! Why a salad bar? Oh! That doesn't make sense. Any more chickens? Nope, just some pogo.
You should,
Yeah, I should get a coop.
then if you like get all this stuff,
Oh, so I could have multiple. For sure. Ooh. Oh, wait, what's this? The docks. Wow. Is there any chickens? I feel like I saw a chicken somewhere in here. Oh! Hey! I saw you! Don't think I didn't see you guys. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a long way down. Keys! Hi! Hello, guys. No, I don't.
Well, you can make some in your computer.
Wait, but I have kitty largos. I'm sorry.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, is it Cower? I want... No. Hey, back here. Hey! Hey! Leave my subs alone!
Wait, what's over there?
Huh? What do you mean, this thing? Wait a minute. What is that? Oh. Beach ball? Why do you guys have a beach ball? Oh, they like it. Oh, it's a slime toy. I'm sorry. No, I need you walkies. No. Beach ball. Yeah, look, they go straight for it. Okay. No. All right. Okay, you know what, guys? You can play it over there. Go and have your fun. Woohoo! All right, I'm gonna take your advice, and I want. Oh, am I gonna be able to get back to the? Yeah, I will. No. Really? Another city. Hey.
You can just feed them from there.
Oh, but I need these. I'll come back for you. He must be the king or something.
Carrots.
He does. Ah, it's another saber! Yay! I need to know what these sabers are.
So,
Cause from when I can see, they're like a slime with like big teeth. Thorns? Thorns? Oh. Alright, well, I have 23 of these dudes. Oh my god. So many chickens.
yeah, I told you there's free chickens.
Chickens! Alright, chickens can keep on growing. Alright, so. I got my boom signs. I'm gonna put my booms. I'm gonna put my boom booms all the way over here. And my balloons right here. I think I'll feed. What?
Did you lose all your chickens?
I blew up by them.
You lost all your chickens.
No. What? Hey!
That guy's angry. You need to. And once the hunter slimes get angry, see that radiation over, like say the anger.
Yeah. Oh no!
And you need high walls.
No. Hey! Guys, you're gonna die if you don't stay in here. Come on. Oh, no, you didn't. Oh, no. I'm gonna take you guys. Alright.
You need high walls.
I do.
And for the hunter boom slime area, you need high walls. Because they can't escape from high walls.
I'm just gonna hold on to my little buddies first.
Or you
Hey! Oh, I don't have enough. Where's that little dude? Hey! Hey, you! I'm done with you. No! Non-acceptable. Oh. Hi. Alright, I need my hunter. I need my hunter. Oh, this is what odd onions grow. Well, that sucked. I didn't want to lose all my stuff. Chickens. Chickens. Come here, chickens. I need you so I can eat my little friend. Mr. Chicken, come here. Here, where'd you go? Alright, that's fine. I got 10 chickens. I'm gonna feed it to my one little dude over here.
What about the angry guy? Yeah. Put him back in the cage.
Is he okay now?
Yeah, put him back in the cage.
Where's my plorts? You didn't blow them up, right? Okay. Oh.
Put the chicken.
Okay. Oh yeah. Have your chickens, guys. I gotta get 4. Oh my god. Get in there. Alright, you know what? Alright. I need a bin for my, okay. I need some money. Alright? I'm gonna take you guys! You will never blow up on my side! You're never blowing up. No. Oh! Alright, so the problem with having these guys in here is that they explode and a bunch of them can fly out. Hmm? I do?
What's the crystal slime?
What's the crystal slime? Oh, this dude? Oh yeah, I got him. 68. Wow. Oh.
Once you get like bullet from the game,
Hi.
slime,
No.
you're really gonna like.
Hi. All right. Go. Oh.
The music box keeps them
He's dancing. Yep. Alright, you guys better not explode. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna leave them to their action. They like meat. Oh, I thought I saw one explode, but Alright, I need a place for my hunters to stay. And guess what? I'm in luck because I have enough. Ugh. Alright. My hunters can stay here. I have one hunter. And he can be here, have a chicken. He's gonna go hunting, ready? He's gonna go hunting. And he strikes, and he goes. And he hits the wall. Can it eat, bud? And it eats. Yum. How about a couple more? Oh, you happy? Eat some more. More. Eat some more. Okay, what is their favorite? I want to know. Hunter Roostro. Just had that. I should probably bring back some. Okay. So, I want to upgrade my, like, Alright. Hello, dudes. Eat up! Oh. I only fed them, like, one. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go like boom. Alright, I could get high walls for that dude over there. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Alright, jetpack. I need a jetpack. Alright, so how does this work? How does this work? Do I go like this? Ah, whee! This is...
You can buy more fuel for it.
Yeah, I probably should. Alright, I need high walls. In a second. I've been holding on to my Phosma for a while now. What? This dude? Help me out? Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. How much did he need? 14? I just got 14. Exactly 14. Wow. 9. Ooh! Alright, I need 9. Here you go, man. Yay! Wow! I could feed this to my, Alright, I got from Odin Orts. That's cool. Oh, that's fine. What?
That opens.
Wait.
That call. It opens.
Where does this go? Odin's Retreat? What? This must be where Odin lives? He said something about sabers?
You need some of those?
Soil and tofu? Ew. Alright, I'm leaving. I don't need no tofu.
That's the person that will give you the sabers.
Well, let me just exchange this. I want to put my Phosma 4 buddies back. Wow, that's expensive. Alright, I need some high walls. There we go. Phosma 4s, you are happy now. There we go. Hello. Hello. Yeah, you can't escape now. Well, you have all your cute berries. Eat your cute berries. Oh. This is what happens when you cross the line. I want to make my buddies happy. Okay? You look happy. You guys happy? You want some more cute berries? Alright, which one of you guys are not happy? Is someone not happy? Yeah, you're not happy. There you go. Are you happy? You're happy. Okay. No, you're not happy. Not happy. Alright, I wanted to put my roostro somewhere. Hey.
Check out that.
Hey bud, you want a roostro? You look happy.
You can put it in a case.
Bouncing a lot. Uh-oh. Is it going in? It's going in for the fight. Eat. What? Probably not hungry. Excuse me. Okay. Alright, I haven't fed my largos in a while. I should probably go feed them. I feel bad for them. These guys. Hi. You're like mad every second. Here, let me get in here. Let me feed some of you guys that I haven't fed. Alright, you probably need a bunch more. So let's just, dig right in again. Eat yo pogos! Yeah, they probably need some more. I got some carrots. Eat yo carrots! Eat those carrots! Carrots. Alright. Let's see, how much do we got? Nuts. Yeah, that's a lot. Alright, so if I can only pick up 30, I need the math. So you're gonna have to I think I'll just there we go, 30. Now we're gonna go this way, and then we're gonna feed them. Yum, 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 yum. Very good. Okay, then I'll get the tabbies. Alright, then I put those in here. Watch, I can score it. Yes. Alright. Having some fun with my scoring. Oh yeah, having some fun. Alright. These guys probably want some pogo. I don't have that much. Not that risky. Nothing? You guys aren't escaping. No? What? No, I don't really... Oh, wait. Hold on. You guys still have some food and stuff over. Uh-oh, it's 66. No, it's bad. It's a bad number. Ah. Right. Oh. Saber! Is that the saber? I knew it. Alright, let's see what else. Hey, bud!
Maybe you should go to that saber dude.
Yeah, I probably should. Wait. Actually, I need to go. Where did I need to go? I needed to go. Oh wait. Should I upgrade this more? I could give them auto feeder, which I don't know if that works.
It does.
Or should I give them music?
Auto feeder.
I'll save. I'll save up. But let's go in here.
So go through that portal.
Oh.
Just saying those.
The wilds. Oh.
Those are very dangerous.
Saber! Oh! Saber! Not good. They are not good.
You're supposed to collect those fruits for him.
Okay. What was this thing?
Those fruits.
Ah! Fruities! Guababa! Guababa!
You can chop them away. Like suck them away.
What does this do? What if I put them in here? Huh?
Put them in there.
I think I need nuts to go in there. Because
No,
it kind
it
of
auto delivers it to him.
No, it kind of looks like a nutcracker.
I saw a plort. Saber plort.
Oh, sabers! Sabers! I got a saber! Uh-oh. Okay. Ow! That hurt, you know. Ow! Hey! Get out of here! Feral slimes? Okay. Alright, at least I got my jetpack. Alright, guababa. I got guababa. Guababa. Uh-oh. I don't like them.
Wait, say it. Yeah, put them in there.
Guababa.
I'm happy.
Oh. Uh-oh, you're not happy. Maybe I should just run and find more wabba-wabbas. Wabba-wabba-wabbas. Oh. Ah! Wabba-wabbos! Am I supposed to go to... What? They don't go in there, look. Ah! No, they want my wabba-wabbas. They will not get the wabba-wabbas. They will get pain. Yes. Ah! Oh, you happy? Okay. Ow! Don't bite into me. You're happy. Yes, you nice. Ooh, you nice. He roll. The way they roll. It's just so smooth. Oh, chicky.
So once you like.
Whoa. Where's? Ouch! I'm not gonna make it. Whee! Olay! Olay! I'm running. Yeah, I need my Kurabu-rabus. Kurabu-rabus. Ew. A Kurabu-rabu. Ah!
It's a Kurabu-rabu.
Kurabu-rabus. Oh. Thingy. Fine. Saber. Leave me alone. I want my Kurabu-rabus. They're all mine, not yours. Is there a saber, Gordo? I need him. Is that a Kurabu-rabu? No, it's not. Alright, I got this. I know how to Kurabu-rabu. Kurabu-rabu! Any Kurabu-rabus? Mr. Quabus. Mr. Quabu. Oh, I'm up here.
Wait, so
This is the way back. Quabu-rabu. Yes. How do I get back, anyways? Uh-oh. Need some strength. That's... Alright, I'm gonna go back. I think if I go back... Yes, there's something up here. Wabu-rabu! I think it's Kuka-abu. Kuka-abu. Coca-abu. Hey, I know you. Why are you locked up in that little cage?
bring the ports home. Saber slime ports. I think you should go home.
How do I get home? What are these? What are those things? Alright, I'm gonna try again. Damn. No. Hey! I needed that. You sound angry. Oh, you're so happy. No! No! I want you. What do they eat? Wait, what's their diet? Can they eat? Can they? Oh, wait, if I do this, I just set. Can they eat those? No, no, my wabus.
Wait, look on map.
Map. I'm in the unknown. Where's my Kuabu Rabus?
Is that a girl?
What?
Party Gordo. Red. So
Hey!
beat him.
Hey!
Beat him.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh,
I need to feed him.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey. Beat him.
No!
He's my hair.
He's my friend. I need some roostros. Oh. How do I get back first? You better tell me how I get back. Ow! Okay. There it is, the portal. Oh. I'll come back for him. Don't you worry. Kuabu Rabus!
Quabble wobbles in that thing.
Oh. Kuabu Rabus.
Get a block of
Spicy tofu? It never quite fills you up. Oh. So what? Do I feed? Do sabers like spicy tofu or something?
maybe. Right. Get an original slime. Or you can have a hunter saber.
Ooh, that'll be expensive. I want it.
Four floors. Then you need. Wait, you need a roof, bro. Get a roof.
Alright, I need high walls.
Game roof. Have walls. Music.
It's gonna be so happy here. Oh, it sounds like them. Oh, he's happy. Oh, I still don't know. How about, do they like this? Huh?
They like spicy tofu.
Oh, they do.
But it's not their favorite.
No, it's not their thing. They like roast roux.
But the roasters do.
Oh, he's so happy. You could eat those when you want to, little dude. Alright,
How much are,
3 sabers, that's cheap. Alright, let's see. Whoa. That's nice. Anyways, guys, I think that'd be a great time to wrap up the video. We found the Party Gordo, we found sabers, we found the Kuabu Wabus, and we found the wilds. Now, I wasn't expecting you to get that today, but if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smack the like button. Don't smash it, you better smack it in the face, and then tell it I don't know, whatever. Pulse wave. Alright, I'll do that tomorrow. I'll do that next video. Smash the subscribe. Okay, smack the like button, smack the subscribe button, and click the bell. Never miss out on these spicy tofus and roostros. And guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace, everyone.